Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 34 minus t equals 58. Solving means isolating t on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. To keep the equation balanced, we make the same change to both sides. The plus 34 keeps t from standing alone. Subtract 34 from both sides to remove it. That gives negative t equals 24. Negative 1 is multiplying t. To leave t alone, divide both sides by negative 1. Quick check. Substitute negative 24 for t. Both sides equal 58, so the equation balances. So, t equals negative 24.